Alvin. I am here at Tony Odisho Extension, and today I'm going to show you guys the Velo hair extensions. Now this is a two-part hair extension, but we clipped it into one because I'm just really trying to get like length and a little bit of thickness. So I'm going to show you guys how easy this like basically one-step process is. So what you're going to do, I'm just going to use my hands, find my part it, boom, done. Make this into a little bun, clip it up. Then we're going to take our extension, already fitted to me, thank you Tony, and put this around that little part that I made. Then we're going to unclip it, and then just use a comb to comb out that spot. And boom, we're done. Look how easy that was.